Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today we are going to be learning how to order numbers 0 to 5 on 2-8. So you will be needing your little dots, your markers, counters, and a crayon, maybe even your pencil if you'd like to try making your numbers with pencil. So let's go ahead and start. Today, we are going to look at the numbers down the right side of the page. We're going to trace the numbers and then color that many amount of dots, counting dots inside. Let's begin. You can use your pencil or you can use a color. Here for star number 1, I have a 0. So what do you think? Should I put any dots inside of the spaces? No, 0, remember, means empty, nothing for now. All right, so let's continue on. Let's look at number 2 with the little apple. Here, they would like us to represent the number 1. So I'll get one counting dot and I'll place it inside number 1. Let's go ahead and shade in one circle. So trace it around like this and then go ahead and color the inside. Very nice, boys and girls. Next, we have the number 2. Go ahead and trace your 2. Start at the top, curve down, and go to the side. So let's go ahead and put 2 dots in the row because we're making the number 2. 1, 2. Excellent. So how many should we shade in? 2. Very good. So let's go ahead. Shade in one circle. Very nice. And now we'll shade in another circle. 2 circles for the number 2. All right, boys and girls, what number is represented right here underneath number 2? 3. Excellent. Start at the top, curve around and around to make your 3. So let's see, how many dots will we put in this row of circles? 3 dots. Good job. Try with me. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So that means I will shade in 1, 2, 3 circles. Let's go ahead and do that. 1, around and around, shade in the middle. 2, very nice. Excellent work, boys and girls. And 3. Wonderful job. Let's keep looking down. Next to number 5, what number is represented here? 4. Excellent. Let's trace our number 4. Down, across, and a tall line down. There's our number 4. So how many dots will we cover? Let's try. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it fun building with dots, building numbers with dots? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots for number 4. Good job. How many will we shade in? 4. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more makes 4. Good job, friends. All right, we have one more number down here at the bottom of our page. What number is that? Number 5. Do you remember? Body, belly, hat. Number 5 is so funny. Let's go ahead and cover our dots. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends. That means we will color all 5 circles. Let's do it. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice, boys and girls. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and turn the page. Now that we know the order, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, turn the page. Here we are in the back of 2-8, and we are going to practice with ordering our numbers. So we always start with the 0. Do you see there are 0 squares? 0. All right, how many squares are here? 1. That's right. Now take a look at the pattern. I have 1 here, but then I have 1 more. How many squares are here now? 2. That's right. Look at the pattern. See, I have 2 here, but then I have 1 more. How many squares? 1, 2, 3. 3 squares. Do you see what the pattern is doing? It's growing by 1 square at a time. We started with 0, then we have 1. 1 and 1 more is 2. 2 and 1 more is 3. So what's 3 and 1 more? Did you say 4? You're right. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. 4 is 1 more than 3. So, following our pattern, if this is 4 and 1 more, what is my last number? 5. Great job, friends. 5. Let's check our work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is everything in order? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is. We started with nothing, 0. We added 1 and we got 1. We added 1 more, we got 2. We added 1 more, we got 3. We added 1 more, we got 4. We added 1 more and we got 5. Do you see how this pattern looks just like steps? That's right. Good job, friends. You looked at a pattern and you helped me to order the numbers. Fantastic. Let's keep trying to represent numbers with objects. So let's take a look here at the bottom in Apple 2. We're going to see if we can add the same amount of circle markers as a number that's represented. So right here, I see the number 5. So if I trace the number 5, I will have 5 dots. So I'm going to pretend these are crackers. Okay? So one day Mrs. Itis had 5 crackers. But Mrs. Itis got hungry, so she ate one of the crackers. If I take one of the crackers and I eat it, how many crackers will I have left? 4 crackers. That's right. So I'm going to put a 4 here. And I'm going to draw the 4 crackers that I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I was still hungry. So I ate another cracker. Oh my goodness. How many crackers do I have now? I have 3 crackers. 1, 2, 3 crackers. But Mrs. Itis was still hungry. So I ate one more cracker. How many crackers are left? 2 crackers. Excellent. 1, 2. But do you think Mrs. Itis was full just yet? Oh no. Mrs. Itis was still hungry. So Mrs. Itis ate another cracker. Now how many crackers does Mrs. Itis have left? That's right. 1 cracker left. You would think that I would be full by now, but oh no, I was still so hungry. So I ate my last cracker. Now how many crackers do I have left? 0 crackers. And that's okay because I'm full now. So boys and girls, look, I started with 5 crackers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But each time I ate 1. So if I ate 1 of my 5 crackers, I only had 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I ate another cracker, so I only had 3 left. 1, 2, 3. I ate another cracker, and then I only had 2 left. 1, 2. I ate another cracker, and I had 1 cracker left. And then when I ate that last cracker, I had 0. Wait, I see another pattern. Do you? Do you see how these look like steps that are going down? These steps were going up, 1 at a time. But these steps are going down, 1 at a time. That's right, boys and girls. The pattern up at the top was adding 1 each time in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the pattern going down was taking 1 away each time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow, numbers are so important for making patterns. Let's keep on exploring that. Now we're going to look at 2-9, and we are going to explore how to solve problems using our objects. In this case, we will use our counting dots again to represent the cubes. Okay, so let's take a look. I have a B for blue, so let's go ahead and color this square blue. I have R for red. Good job. And I have a G for green. Okay, so I'm going to represent these cubes using 3 different colors. So if I look at B for blue and I look at the number 3, then I need 3 blue cubes. Let's trace them. 1 blue cube, 2 blue cubes, 3 blue cubes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many red cubes do I have in this picture? 1, that's right. 1 red cube. And how many green cubes do I represent in this picture? 5. Let's trace them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's talk about this. If I want to put my cubes in order, I would need to start with the number 1 because it's the smallest number, the smallest amount, the least. So I will get my red for number 1 and I will put it first because I am following a growing up pattern. Okay? Now, do you think my next row of cubes would be 5 or 3? After 1, what's the next least amount? 3. That's right. So I'll trace 3. Now, after 1 and after 3, what would be my greatest amount? Yes, 5. 5. 1, 3, 5. This is called skip counting. But do you know how I could check my work? I could make sure that this is still in order of growing from least to greatest, from less to more, by adding in some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does that show order? Yes, it shows order. Okay, let's do the same thing down here for apple 2. What color do you think Y is for? Yeah. That's right, yellow. Here's R again. What color was for R? Red. Good job. And B for blue. Great job. Okay, so let's look across. 2 for yellow. So let's trace 2 yellow cubes. Excellent. 1, 2. Here's red. What number has red? 3.